real talk, just Rat Pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rep Rat Pack to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So first off, I just want to say I'm sorry that I didn't get to post last Sunday. I was sick for a couple days, but the good thing was that I got a couple days off of work, so I was able to heal pretty fast. I'm feeling so much better. I stayed home pretty much all day. Anyways, I am back with another video today. So I actually just got back from fixing my car. My passenger side headlight was out, so I was driving around with like one headlight, but I just picked up 2 new headlights, so my car has 2 headlights now, and I can't wait to see what they look like when I drive them tonight when I go to dance rehearsal. So I'm pretty excited because I'm sure they're gonna be brighter than usual, and driving around with just one headlight is not fun at all. But yeah, other than that, I do have some great news. If you guys watched my last video, I actually taught you guys how to make stickers, and right now I'm working on a few stickers in the background. Here's one of them. This is my Mint Arizona green tea decal sticker that I'm making right now. I have a few printing. It's a prototype, so I'm still working on that. And then I do have these stickers as well, just the regular Mint sticker. But yeah, it's a lot of fun creating these stickers. In my last video, I had my customer Cameron, so shout out to Cameron. Everything went well. He was able to get his stickers shipped within 2 days, so that was cool. Stay tuned for those stickers because they are gonna be for sale pretty soon on my website, along with my regular stickers and another sticker I have coming soon, but that's gonna come out later. Now, what I will be working on today for shirts is I'm actually doing a collaboration with this guy named Kong, and he's from the Bay Area, and he hit me up on Instagram and he wanted to actually work with me with my business, my t-shirt making business. So we've been talking for a couple weeks now, and yeah, he has this car crew called Rogue Imports, and he wanted me to make like shirts and hoodies and stickers, decals for him and his car crew. The thing that caught my attention is that he actually has a BRZ, and I'll link his Instagram down here for you guys to check him out. But man, this guy, he has a blue BRZ, which is pretty much an FRS or a Toyota 86 for you car guys. But that is my dream car, and for him to hit me up with that car crew and wanting to collab made me excited because that's the car I want. So yeah, shout out to Kong. I'm gonna be working on a few shirts and maybe a hoodie as a prototype today to send him some pics, and if he likes it, then he's gonna go ahead and work with me, and I'll be getting these shirts made for him and be shipping them out to San Francisco where he lives. But yeah, check them out, Rogue Imports, Kong, dope dude. You're gonna love his Instagram feed. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be working on today. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm not sure if I'll be recording the hoodies or the shirts just yet. Not sure if he wants it to be kept a secret or just exclusive to him, because he will be selling it to people within his crew. But he hit me up because he wanted my business to grow, and their car crew is growing as well, so it's pretty cool. Maybe we'll be able to link up one day in the future, especially when I get my FRS, because that's, like I said, that's been my dream car since right out of high school. That was like the first car I wanted to get Don't get me wrong, I do want that Nissan 350Z, but the Scion FRS, Toyota 86, BRZ is my dream car, and that's the car I want. Whether it's after the Nissan 350Z or if it's before, or even if it's my next car. But right now I just can't afford it. So but yeah, stay tuned with the vlogs, and hopefully when I do get my business started, you know, I'll be able to afford the things that I want. Alright, so here is an example of my decal. I went ahead and made this with my logo in the middle, and then the background is like an Arizona green tea. And then right here it says mint in Japanese. Yep. There you go. Yeah, right now this is pretty much a demo prototype. What I like to do here is I actually like to take my heat gun, and since I laminate them, what I like to do is I'll just heat them up real quick, get them nice and laminated, so they actually come out more clear and more flat. So you guys can see they're coming a little flat. There we go. And that's because laminating paper likes to melt, so that's how you laminate things anyways. So this is what I'll do. But yeah, some of these, like if you can tell, this one I burned it a little bit actually right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that one's a little burnt, but it's cool, you know. This is my first batch ever anyways, but I really like how they came out. They look great on camera. I mean, in person they're kind of a little faded, but it's probably the way I printed it. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, so I did get word from Kong, one of the creators of Rogue Imports, and he did say I can film me making one of his shirts and hoodies. So right now I have my silhouette, my vinyl cutter, cutting up the designs I have right here. We're gonna go ahead and heat press the vinyl onto the shirt, and then I'll show you guys the final product, and then I'll be taking pictures for Kong so I can send it to him and see what he thinks. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys after I'm done making it. I just want to get this on video before the sun comes down, but I did finish my customer's order. This is for Rogue Imports. This is his shirt. Right here is just a prototype, just to see what it's gonna look like. But there we go, we have it. We have the R for Rogue. So there's the front, which is pretty simple. Obviously, probably look better once I try it on. I'll probably try it on for you guys, see what it looks like. And then here is the back. I know the Japanese words are a little bit bigger than I expected it to be, but it's okay. Like I said, this is just a demo, so I'm not gonna be selling him this one. Alright, so it says Rogue, established in 2017, and in Japanese it says Rogue Imports. I think that's pretty cool. I do like how the Rogue and established came out. It's just I think the Japanese words are too big, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that later, probably with a couple more demos before we go ahead and start his order. But yeah, I mean, it's cool. We have a template of what it's gonna look like. He wanted it in gold. It is gold. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person it looks sweet. So Kong, if you're watching this, the gold looks awesome on this shirt. Yeah, I hope you like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Alright, so I went ahead and tried it on. This is what it looks like. There we go. Nice. Cool, so I think I might make the R just a little bit smaller. It's hard to tell while I'm holding up the camera, but you know, I think it doesn't look that bad. Yeah. Cool. Nice. Go ahead and get the, let me see if I could go ahead and get the back for you guys. Let's see. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Boom. Nice. Obviously the Japanese words are gonna be a lot smaller, like I mentioned earlier. I'll probably work on that later. Maybe I'll pick up some black tees. They're pretty cheap, so I'm not really too worried about it. But it's cool, you know, I'm learning, and he's helping my business grow, and I'm helping his crew grow as well. So it's a pretty great collab. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I might go ahead and work on the hoodie for him in a little bit, but I do have dance practice in a little bit. So yeah, this is the end of this video. If you guys did like this video, please go ahead and give me a like. And if you guys have any questions about my t-shirts, or if you guys want any t-shirts done, or even stickers, go ahead and comment in the comment section below. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button, as well as the bell to notify you whenever I do have a new video. My schedule is Sunday at 11 a.m. I was sick last Sunday, that's why I didn't post a video, but your boy is back today and I'm feeling a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember, it's all about the journey. Peace.